The Lockheed Martin Corporation is a global aerospace, defense, security, and advanced technology company. As of January 2022, Lockheed Martin employs approximately 115,000 employees worldwide, including about 60,000 engineers and scientists. With a rich history of more than 30 years, the company has earned a reputation for delivering innovative solutions to complex challenges. From cutting-edge aircraft and missile systems to advanced cybersecurity and space exploration, Lockheed Martin is at the forefront of technology and innovation. The company's commitment to excellence and continuous improvement has made it a trusted partner for governments, commercial customers, and stakeholders around the world. With a focus on sustainability and corporate responsibility, Lockheed Martin is dedicated to making the world a safer, more secure place for future generations. Lockheed Martin is one of the largest companies in the aerospace, military support, security, and technologies industry. It is the world's largest defense contractor by revenue for fiscal year 2014. In 2013, 78% of Lockheed Martin's revenues came from military sales. It topped the list of U.S. federal government contractors and received nearly 10% of the funds paid out by the Pentagon. In 2009, U.S. government contracts accounted for $38.4 billion, 85%, foreign government contracts for $5.8 billion, 13%, and commercial and other contracts for $900 million, 2%.